Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Hasna Naura Prasasti and I am student in majoring Educational Technology, State University of Surabaya. Today, I will present our research project and the title is Comparative Analysis of GPT 4.0 and Teacher Feedback on Student Generated Question in the Flipped Classroom. So basically, this study aims to explore the potential of GPT 4.0 and advanced AI language model in providing feedback to students and to compare it with traditional teacher feedback. Let me start by explaining the background and motivation for the study. Feedback is a crucial component in the learning process, especially in flipped classroom settings where students engage in self-regulated learning outside the classroom before discussion in the class. The quality of feedback can significantly influence student motivation, understanding, and performance. Our primary research question was, can GPT 4.0 provide feedback that is as effective as teacher feedback in promoting student self-regulated learning? Additionally, we want to examine difference in student satisfaction and learning outcome between the two feedback providers. To conduct this research, we, we involved 89 third-year university students majoring in educational technology. They participate in a course structured with a flipped classroom model. Over several weeks, both GPT 4.0 and a human teacher provide weekly feedback through an online discussion platform. And the feedback was categorized into three types. Number one is cognitive feedback, which focus on student understanding and reasoning. And number two is praise, which encourage and motivate student and mitigating. And the last one is mitigating feedback, which manage error or misunderstanding constructively. So at the end of each topic, the student completes several assessments without knowing the source of the feedback, whether it came from GPT 4.0 or the teacher. This assessment consists of self-regulated learning questionnaire, learning satisfaction questionnaire, and performance test. Now, let's talk about the result of the study. In the first page is abstract. In abstract, regards to cognitive feedback, the analysis saw no significant difference between GPT 4.0 and teacher feedback in enhancing student self-regulation skill. This indicates that the AI was just as capable as the teacher in providing content-specific, constructive cognitive feedback that help students improve their learning strategies. However, when we examine students' satisfaction, those who receive a teacher feedback report higher satisfaction compared to this receiving AI feedback. This is mainly because teacher feedback include personalized praise and emotional support, which the GPT 4.0 could not fully replicate. The correspondingly, students who receive teacher feedback performance better in evaluation compared to those who receive AI feedback, suggesting that the emotional and motivational components of feedback contribute importantly to learning outcomes. And the last page in summary is the study suggests that while GPT 4.0 is effective and efficient in delivering cognitive feedback, it currently has limitation in providing price and mitigating feedback compared to a human teacher. The human aspect of empathy, motivation, and emotional engagement remain unparalleled in fostering student satisfaction and performance. In this research, rather than replacing teachers, GPT 4.0 should be viewed as a supplementary tool that can assist educators by providing timely and accurate cognitive feedback, freeing up time for teachers to, to, to focus on the crucial emotional and motivational support that students need. In this research contributes to ongoing discussion about integrating artificial intelligence like GPT 4.0 in education by highlighting both the potential and the limitation of AI feedback in flipped classroom. And before concluding, I want to emphasize some practical implication from this research. Educators considering AI tools should leverage them to complement, not substitute, the human interaction that creates a meaningful learning experience. Future development of AI feedback systems should aim to incorporate emotional and motivational elements to enhance their effectiveness. And in this research, um, the flipped classroom model has transformed traditional learning. Instead of passive listening during class, students pre-study new content at home, freeing class time to interactive discussion and activities. In this model, feedback is critical. It quiz It guides student self-regulate learning and help clarify doubts. In this research, I am to investigate whether GPT 4.0 feedback could substitutes or complement teacher feedback to improve student self-regulate learning skill, satisfaction, and academic performance. Importantly, students were blind to the feedback search, ensuring unbiased response. After each topic, they complete questionnaire assessing their self-regulate learning abilities and learning satisfaction alongside performance tests. This highlight AI potential to handle routine, cognitive feedback tasks and support independent learning, a major advantage considering time constraint teacher face. This emotional and personalized touch plays a critical role in sustaining student motivation and improving academic performance, which underscore the irreplaceable value of the human teacher. So, GPT 4.0 is a promising tool to assist teacher, especially in flipped classroom. It effectively supports cognitive aspect but cannot replace the emotional and motivation feedback from teachers. The integration of AI and human guidance promise the best pathway for future educational models. So this is my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.